Hey guys, Steven Smith here with MarineMax of Houston, coming to you today with a brand new 2019 Harris float boat 230 cruiser. This is one of our tri-tunes that we have here. Just wanted to do a quick walkthrough so you show you some of the great features on this boat. At the front, you'll see you've got lounger seats with cushions that pop up that are all hinged, that have storage under every single seat base in the boat. So every seat base on a Harris is designed to be hinged to stay open when you're in it. Easy access, tons of storage under all these seat bases. Life jackets, your ropes, your bumpers, your toys, things like that, anything you want. You've got a removable armrest here that can go anywhere in the boat. That's got a little 2 cup holders here. It's an armrest. It's also got a little spot for wallet, keys, stuff like that. Recessed cup holders with LED lighting all around the boat. And that's RGB lighting for this year too, so you can have any different color that you want. As we make our way back, I'll show you this storage compartment here in just a second, but there's an oversized ski locker here in the floor that runs all the way back, and it's got plenty of room for skis, ropes, tubes, maybe even fishing poles if you're going to use the boat for that. You've got even more storage here underneath the helm that goes underneath. And then also you've got an optional storage compartment here, which we could attach a changing room curtain on and put a porta potty under there, or you can use this as oversized storage compartment for really anything you want. All those extra things that pile up when you're on the boat. Nice overly wide boarding door on the side of the boat here, easy to get on and off the dock, etc. As we make our way to the helm, you'll see the boat's got a tilt steering wheel, make it comfortable for the driver. The seat goes up and down too, so you can get it just the right position. On the dash, you'll see you've got your switches and gauges all very easily laid out, easy to see. There's a touchscreen SIMRAD display here. This is a multi-function display with chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, everything all in one there. JL audio head unit with Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary. As we make our way back, another storage compartment here with a built-in trash can. Even more storage under all these seat bases. It's got a double battery setup, so 2 batteries with a switch so you don't get stranded. And this is the popular single lounger configuration with a big sun pad in the back. This seat flips back, turns this into a big lounging area. Great for water sports. You see you've got the tow bar there. We've got the double bimini, so you have shade across the whole boat. And then this storage compartment back here, even more, it's huge. You'll see we've got a cooler, bumpers, your table, all this stuff in here. You could store the cover in there as well. Safety chains and a nice oversized ladder. All powered by 175 horsepower Mercury outboard. And push this boat to plenty of speed to have fun, water sports, fishing, tubing, hanging out on the lake, getting the family out there, plenty of room. It's a great all-around pontoon. This is a 2019 Harris 230 cruiser tri-tune here at MarineMax of Houston. My name's Steven Smith. Come see us today.